You know, a lot of our co-workers have lost, not a lot, but too many, have lost parents to this thing. And in New York, 5 nurses and a former director of prisons are among several Jamaicans who have died as a result of the novel coronavirus pandemic. And that's according to the Global Jamaica Diaspora Council. 3 of the nurses worked at health facilities in New Jersey, while the other 2 were employed at hospitals in New York. The deceased range in age from 42 to 96.
No surprise that New York is accounting for the bulk of the cases, and that several of those who have died fit into the vulnerable categories on account of being elderly or having pre-existing health conditions. Among them, a former member of the JDF and director of prisons at the Department of Correctional Services, Kingston College Old Boys Association has meanwhile reported 7. Is this right? 7 coronavirus-related deaths among its membership?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is being hit hard. President Perry Bloomfield told this paper that 2 other members of the association who contracted the disease have recovered, while a 3rd, who remained hospitalized, is improving. Truth is that, Dela, we have a lot of nurses and doctors abroad.
Yeah.
So they're on the front lines. So it's not a surprise to
So
know
when
that
we say that we're doing a telethon to provide protective gear, this is partly why. Because it makes no sense for you to be sick and the people that are going to be putting their lives on the line to make sure that you have life are not fully protected. It makes no sense.
Yeah.
So this is, our condolences to the families. And we think, as you said, Simone, you're right, a lot of the healthcare workers in the US are Jamaicans. So I don't know how any Jamaican could not take COVID seriously, knowing that we have relatives, friends, family, people out there fighting. Oh boy.
Seriously.